Welcome to the instructions video for the Frequency Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you convert between frequency, period, angular frequency, and wavelength instantly. Whether you're working with radio signals, light waves, or any oscillating system, this calculator makes conversions quick and accurate. To use this calculator, start by entering a known value in any of the input fields. For example, let's enter a frequency of 100 MHz in the frequency field. You can select your preferred units from the drop-down menu next to each input. The calculator accepts frequency in hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, or gigahertz. Once you enter your value, click the Calculate button. The calculator will automatically compute and display the corresponding period, angular frequency, and wavelength. You'll see the period shown in appropriate time units, the angular frequency in radians per second, and the wavelength in meters or other length units, depending on the magnitude. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out to find more tools for your projects.